How you doing, guys? We are back again. On the go tayo. Pero ngayon nasa Nace tayo, Mrs. K. Ngayon, dadalawin natin ang Island Tico.
Yes, Ceylon Coffee Club.
Yes, okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Yun.
Hello!
Hello!
Ang gaganda!
Naman!
Ang pogi!
Hello!
Thank you, thank you.
Kumusta?
Thank you for coming, Mr. and Mrs.
Ayun.
Kim. Saan ba yung anak mo ba yan?
No, sister ko po.
Yeah.
So ate, pakilala natin ang shop mo.
Oh my God, yeah.
Thank you ha. Thank you kay Ate Mabel mo.
Yes,
For taking care of me. Ate Mabel, thank you ha. Ate.
Oh, diba? Shout out dyan. Ayun, may pa-balloon pa, ha?
Yes,
Oh.
because
I know.
they actually just opened this coffee
Yes.
shop. Ate?
Ang ganda, parang artista.
Naman.
Ate, yung coffee natin na
Oo,
iba-vlog
coffee pa,
natin.
sorry.
Yes.
Coffee pala.
So Ate Maria Roda.
Roda na lang.
Roda,
Ate
yes.
Roda. Okay, so Ate, ano mo naman, introduce mo naman ang iyong coffee shop.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Guys, we are here inside the cafe. At syempre pa, kakusapin natin yung may-ari. O yun, di ba? Yan. So, ano pa guys ang anantay natin? Tara!
Let's
talk!
Okay.
Ito, on the go tayo ngayon,
Yes.
di ba? Syempre naman, and we're delighted that tamo naman, kulang na lang red carpet ang handa. Pero meron tayong pabalon dyan. Oh.
Yes.
Kasi, ano ba to? Yung cafe na to, recently opened pa. By the way, guys, introduce mo muna.
Yes, we have Ate Maria Roda. O, Ate Roda na lang daw.
Hello everyone. My name is Maria Roda Abdullah, and I am one of the co-founder actually of Axis Zooey Limited. So this is actually our company.
Yes.
And this is a registered company, and the trading name is this Island Tico and Ceylon Coffee Club. So
Okay.
we are actually the master franchise partner, whole Ireland and whole Europe.
That's very good.
So yeah, like this is actually the Island Tico. We are the largest Ceylon tea and coffee company.
Company, okay.
So the main office is in the Philippines. So the natural coffee beans and the natural tea leaves, they are actually sourced in Sri Lanka. So if you Google NAS Daily, we are actually featured in NAS Daily.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, and also, so we are the representative. So again, whole Europe, and we take pride of that. And we also do some franchise. And Mr. and Mrs. Kiram
Yes. Oh.
is
Diba?
interested. So all the audience there, and also the serial entrepreneurs, they are actually, they are also welcome to do some franchise.
That's very good
Yeah,
to know.
yeah.
So it's open to not just Filipinos, but anyone who would like to franchise this cafe or coffee
yeah,
company. Isn't it? Yeah, that's amazing. Isn't
So,
it?
Ate, teka, interested ako. Paano ka, napunta sa ganitong business? Nurse ba tayo sa Pilipinas? Ano ba?
Professionally, I am a registered general nurse. So I have 26 years experience working in healthcare. Then because of my personal circumstance, so I pivot into entrepreneurship. So yeah, so and then so I made a research in franchise, and so this Island Tico and Ceylon Coffee Clubs, they are international. They do international franchising.
Okay.
And it's also within our budget, so that's why
You studied.
I
and-
studied, yeah.
yeah.
I made a
That's
research.
your interest.
That's actually really interesting, isn't it? Like when you come to Ireland, obviously you'll be having a job of your own initially, but then eventually you can go into something like entrepreneurship.
Yes.
So we as masasabi natin na nurses na hindi tayo dapat na mag-stick lang sa pagiging nurse. Kumbaga, we have to explore other horizon basically. Para at least mag-expand tayo. And then having this cafe and everything like this, talagang kailangan mo rin ng para bang pag-aaralan mo eh.
Oo.
Yan guys, sa mga ating mga nanonood dyan, na hindi lang tayo pasok ng pasok. Kailangan malaman din natin yung ating, ano ba yung papasukin natin, na like entrepreneurship and business and all this. But we're so happy na kagaya ni Rhoda, na tinatayo niya yung bandera natin na mga Filipinos sa Ireland.
Yes, nakakatuwa. We're so happy na we got invited here, ate, and i-promote natin ng
Yeah.
Ceylon Coffee Company. Diba?
Yes.
So, ate, anong kaibahan ng coffee ng
Yes,
Ceylon sa ibang coffee?
Okay, it's a
Yes.
good question. Actually, our USP, our unique selling point, is that we are the only 100% natural coffee beans and 100% natural tea leaves compared to other coffee shops. So we are the only coffee shop that has 5 categories of drinks.
Okay.
So we have teas, coffees, milk tea, bubble tea, and fruit tea.
Okay.
So some shops, they have only 3 categories.
Okay.
So the Island Tea Co. and Ceylon Coffee Club, we have 5 categories.
Okay. So, it's like they join together,
Yes,
ano?
exactly, yeah.
Okay. So, that's nice.
That's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Oo.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay. Yan na lang natin kasi
Okay.
magalaw si Mrs. K.
Oo, that's
Okay.
really interesting kasi like for me ate, I don't usually drink bubble tea. So, pag pupunta ako dito, everything is in here. Like for example, the kids want bubble tea, may bubble tea na rito, and then if I want coffee lang, meron, ano. And then
Okay,
if you
that's
want
nice.
tea, nandito lahat.
That's
So
amazing,
that's
yeah.
really nice.
We have actually around 20 varieties of tea. So we can prepare that for you.
But do you sell all of them?
Yes.
Ah,
We
okay.
also sell loose leaves
Okay.
and loose coffee beans.
Okay. And then the cafe, you've only started this cafe when?
We had actually a soft opening
Okay.
October last year,
Okay.
and then the grand opening was in December. Now we have actually a second shop coming in the crossings, Adamstown, Lucan, County Dublin. Now the plan is Ireland has 32 counties.
Yes.
So each county, so we have to put one coffee shop
One
each.
coffee shop.
Let's say, for example, you live in Waterford,
Waterford, yes.
so you are the sub-franchise there, so you put the coffee shop there.
Very good.
Guys, sa mga nag-aabang pa dyan sa ibang mga counties, mga Filipinos, why not contact Rhoda? Diba, alam nyo na, nasa Nace siya. So,
Yes.
guys, alam nyo na, kung gusto nyo ng coffee shop franchise, alam nyo na kung saan pupunta. Diba?
Yes.
Yun, we're so excited. And probably, ano bang ma-advise niyo sa ating mga kababayan na nag-iisip na mag-business, mag-go into business?
interested. So, kung sino
Yeah.
man yung mga manonood natin dyan na interested, ano ba yung mga
Yeah.
qualification, ano ba yung kailangan nilang i-prepare bago at
Yeah.
least mag-inquire?
Okay, the first thing that I could advise is that you have to invest in yourself first. Okay, so investment means many things to many people. Like investment, what I mean is that you have to, if you, like myself, because I am my background is in healthcare, so I want to improve my sales and marketing skills and knowledge. So I enroll in Grant Cardone, John Lee, Tony Robbins. Yeah, they're expensive, yes, but it's a lifetime investment. Okay, so, and I also invested just recently, Sarah Gray, one of the top executive business coach in whole Ireland. So top five siya. So I invested, and like I also studied currently in sales and marketing, and that's online. And also, I also studied EI mastery tools. I think, Don, you're familiar with EI. Yeah, so that's the high tech. That's a trend now. So because I want to have a good result in business, in investment, because I want financial freedom. So for me, that is investment. Okay, so I have certificate to prove that. And like if you, rather than buying Chanel, Hermes, or Louis Vuitton, so invest, why not? Yeah.
Something like a course, a program.
Yeah, a course, yeah, a program.
Even like a coach, like a life
Exactly.
coach, That's
Just yeah, correct.
Exactly.
Just like my husband, like he's also studying under the mentorship of John Lee. So
Okay.
like you can Google who's John Lee. Like,
Yes, yeah.
so he's under that, and I'm also studying. Also, I joined also Mind Valley, so I'm a member. Like I think I paid around €200 a year, and for me, like that's a very good investment because as we all know that knowledge, like no one can take that away from you.
Sabi nga ni Ernie Baron, di ba dati, yung nasirang Ernie Baron, knowledge is power.
Yes.
Ano lang tayo, di ba?
I think it's really important na na mag-grow ka intellectually, emotionally, and everything. And then especially kung papasok ka sa business, kailangan alamin mo talaga na sarili mo, ready ka. Yeah.
Correct.
Yun. And then like nabanggit mo kanina ate, like you need about 15 grand to ano yun yung,
Yeah,
yung,
like,
yung financially ano yung kailangan nilang
Let's
i-prepare.
say you can sub-franchise, and from starting 15,000, so that's a kiosk. Okay, so this coffee shop is inline, so it's more expensive. So that's why we put it in the range of between 15,000 to 45. So this is inline, so this is more expensive.
Yes.
But you will get 80% ROI or return of investment. Mga within 6 months to 8 months. Okay, so because when we say franchise, so all the guidelines is there, they are tested. Now there is a research, even if you Google it, that 92% if you franchise, it's actually successful compared to the startup.
Yes.
Kasi
May
franchise,
name na.
exactly.
Kilala na.
Exactly, correct.
Like what you've said, ito nga Ceylon coffee
Yeah,
shop.
when you Google,
they're all
yeah.
natural.
At the
So
same
that's
time, it's
good.
tested as Ate Rhoda was saying there, and everywhere you go in the world, like there will be, like a coffee shop like this, so
Exactly.
just like other franchises as well.
So,
That's good, huh?
so it's the, yeah, of course, it's the brand.
Yes. So siguro next thing would be, guys, ipasyal natin, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung mga nasa shop nila, and then probably Ate Rhoda
Will
can
give us a tour.
Yes,
Oh,
diba?
diba?
Are we ready for that?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
let's
indeed.
go.
Let's go!
Ate, anong bestseller niyo rito?
Oh, everything is our bestseller, including myself. Okay, and we can go to the yung sa namin.
dito sa
Okay,
cashier.
cashier. Okay, so and this is Fardin. This Fardin is one of the co-founder and the CEO of the Island Tico and Ceylon Coffee Club Ireland, and he's also here. And Fardin, let them taste your specialty, cappuccino.
Yes.
Oh, cappuccino.
And how about you, Don?
Yeah, probably, what can I get there so far?
Americano?
Americano. Yeah, is there something like another, like I always get Americano. So something different. Is there something different that I can
Latte.
take? Latte, coffee, okay, hot. Yeah, I want hot. Maybe macchiato. We'll try that. Macchiato. Yes, okay.
And so this is all, like this coffee shop, we can also cater between 20 to 35 people. So like if you have a party, then you can bring your own, you can cater for your own foods, and then the drinks are bought here. So this is the private part. So as you can see, we have a TV, 55-inch TV. Like, okay, so we have Wi-Fi. And we have also like, I think one of these days we can show, like sports, Sky Sports. Yeah, so and we have also videoke, especially the Filipinos, because the Filipinos love singing.
You just have to book the place now.
Exactly, yeah. And
You can arrange it.
and this is Ukwel, one of our cafe barista.
Hello.
Say hello, Ukwel. So, and then we have also toilet, we can make our customer relax.
So guys, it's very comfy here. When you come in here, you'll have like, see the experience there. You'll be having, some coffee there, and you're just relaxing, just chilling out here with your friends. And They have free wifi. Siyempre, mahalaga yon, lalo na pagka meron tayong mga chine-check online, which is like, parati na lang. Diba? Alam naman, SOCMED, at pag meron tayong coffee dyan, picture-picture tayo sa coffee, tapos send. Ano po ba yung hashtag ninyo? Pagka, kunyari, may mag-picture. So,
Hashtag namin, Island Tea. Just say Island Tea Co, but you have to put Ireland.
Ireland, yeah.
Because we have actually many branches also in Sri Lanka, Philippines,
Yes.
India, UAE, and the current flagship is in Texas, USA.
Wow.
Yes,
talaga
diba?
naman.
Yun.
Okay,
Kaya maganda to. Maganda talaga to. And check natin guys yung ginagawang coffee dyan para makita naman natin kung paano ba gawin ng coffee sa mga taong hindi pa marunong gumawa ng coffee dyan. Yun. Yan. Nice one. Yan guys. Coffee.
Laura, I have also something for you, and also Dawn. Okay, this is actually our souvenir mug.
Talaga, thank you.
Magagamit natin yan pag may mga podcast tayo.
Kasi maganda ka kasi, kaya naano ako, nabighani.
Na-conscious naman ako.
Yung ganda. At least thank you very much. At may pamag pa tayo. We will be using that sa ating podcast, next podcast na mag-disip tayo ng coffee. Okay guys, ito na. Test na natin ang ating coffee. Yes.
Yes, I'm really excited kasi guys, hindi lang siya natural. Kumbaga, it's an organic coffee. And sabi nga nila rito, so ano siya, Arabica and Robusta.
Wow, okay.
Baka mukhang hindi na ako makakatulog nito. Try natin.
Yan, try natin guys.
Smells nice.
Yes. Okay.
Masarap.
Yes, masarap. Siyempre.
Masarap na hindi siya like kasi lagi ako nagko-complain dito. Yung ibang coffee na pinupuntahan, yung may asim, parang may acid, hindi siya ganon. Hindi ganon yung lasa niya pa.
Kasi yung coffee beans namin is actually 100% natural siya.
Yaon.
Kaya ganun yung lasa niya.
Diba?
Talagang
wow, masarap pa.
So guys, yung mga ating manonood dyan, kung nasa Ireland kayo, bisitahin natin dito sa Nays. Pakisabi ate kung ano yung address natin.
Our address is Unit 1, Fair Green Street. So it's in Nays Town Center. So we are actually in the footpath, located in the footpath, and you can easily see us. Because our coffee shop, the facade of our coffee shop is very enticing.
Wow, of course, yeah.
As beautiful as Laura.
Oh, di ba?
Ma-entice kayo.
Yes. Tama. Yon. So maganda talaga let's support Filipino businesses in Ireland and everywhere. Obviously, sa Ireland tayo nakatira, syempre kailangan yung mga ating mga kababayan, bisitahin natin. Maki-coffee tayo or makikain tayo kung saan man.
Support natin kung ano man yung mga business na ginagawa nila. Yun. Diba?
Okay, lovely jubbly. Right. Yan, dami po. Yun. Yum. May pa-extra pa dito. Yun.
Joanne, try. I guarantee you will forget your name.
Yeah. Yan.
One of our best seller, or you.
Yeah. Testing.
I told you it's very yummy.
Very yummy, isn't it?
Very yummy.
Yun. Testing. Yan, nakatingin na may-ari.
Is it cold?
Yeah. It's cold, yeah. Ayun. So, thank you very much, ate, sa pag-invite sa amin. Well, obviously, kami naman talaga, we support Filipino businesses in Ireland at as much as possible, ma-feature natin sa ating vlog, sa ating podcast.
Ma-promote natin.
Yes, yun ang mano doon eh. Kasi sino pa ba yung magtutulungan kundi tayo din, di ba?
Okay.
Yes.
Before you will end this
Yes.
segment, I just want to thank Mabel for introducing you to us, and also to Ate Thea and to my close friend Jerry. Thank you.
Yes, okay. Okay guys, I think yun, naka-phone tayo dito para medyo millennial ang dating, di ba? Yes. Okay, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe at saka pakibisita nitong ating natagpuan bago na namang business ng Filipino sa Filipino Cafe in Nays, Ireland. Okay.
Ceylon Coffee Company.
Yes. So hanggang sa susunod, tara!
Let's stop.
Yes.
Tara. Let's stop.
Tara.
Let's stop.